Ayun. Bye, Ali. Next time, promise. Bakit ayaw? Ikapin naman natin to. Ayun. May ganun pa.
I have to leave for the night. I'll be back at 6 a.m. You'll be okay. I left chores on the board. You need to earn your allowance money before I get home. If someone knocks, don't open right away.
Anak-anak ka, di ka marunong magbigay allowance.
Check the cameras on your laptop. Listen to what they are saying. Help the people who really need it, and you'll earn your allowance money. Let the wrong ones in, and you'll know.
Huy! Uy! Aga! Aga! Ang aga, ate. Maaga ka.
Have a good night. Take care of the house.
Take care of the house. Okay, good morning.
Hello.
Are you guys sali?
My friend just broke up with me. I'm a mess right now. Could I use the tissues in your bathroom?
Tissue daw! Tissue!
Mali yan, te.
Hope you never get
Paano
done.
naging anomaly nang hihingi lang ng tissue, te?
Check mo sa camera kasi, te. May camera.
Ah, sinabi niya yan. Ah, sure. O, asan siya dyan? Hindi naman
Wala na, te.
Ang ganda ng bahay. Walang pambiling allowance. Pambigay pala. Okay, so anong gagawin natin dito ngayon?
Anomaly.
Okay. Maggagawa tayo ng ano kailangan?
Uy, may mga chores, te. Dito masinis.
Mami, hindi talaga gumagana. Hindi mo ata ini-start.
I need help with something important.
What is it?
I can't say it through the door.
Why not?
Because it's private. Just
Hindi na labas
open up
sa'yo.
for a second. It's urgent.
Bakit ba kayo pumapasok sa bahay ng may bahay? Like,
Hey, don't walk away. This is serious.
o pasok ko ba to siya? Wala ka naman siyang kakaibang
Finally. What's the Wi-Fi password?
kapal
That's
na
the
mukha mo.
important thing?
Yes. My video stopped right before the ending.
Fine, I'll get it. I think it's written on a piece of paper.
Oh, ito oh. Here you go.
You are a hero. You saved my life.
Oh. Kailangan ng mga yon. O, ano yung chores na gagawin?
May ginawa na ako. Luto na ako.
Ano to? Nagagawin ka dito? Huy! Ano ba yon, te? Adik. Nasa board daw. Ay, asan yung board? Ah, ito. Okay. Clean the kitchen daw.
Okay na, te.
Got any
Yes?
food in there? I haven't eaten in 2 days.
Oh, you're so kawawa. Papakainin natin siya. Ito, may ano pa dito. Baguettes by Apple David. Charot. Abe, ano pa ang gusto mo? Wala namang something wrong.
Please, friend. I'm ready. All right, friend. Enjoy your full belly.
Bakit niyo ba pinapaalis? Wala namang ano.
Hello, sino nagpalis?
Kinakawawa niyo yung mga tao.
Te, tingnan nyo kasi yung bahay natin, te. Wala.
May naman siyang ginagawang masama, di ba?
May anomaly kasi, te.
Wala talaga, hindi
Wala talaga, hindi siya anomaly.
Nene na lang tayo
Oo, sapot lang yan, di na anomaly yan. Kaya pa naging multo yung sapot ng gagamba. Ayun. May nagwala dito, ti. Ano
We're
to?
searching the neighborhood for an escaped prisoner. He was seen nearby about an hour ago.
What should I do?
I need to check
Ano ba yun?
the house to make sure he's not hiding.
Perfect. Mahina daw yung sounds.
This
Sandali.
is important.
Oh, ayan. Ako naman yung mabibingi ngayon. Hello?
May anomaly tayo.
Ay, ang pogi ni Kuya.
Mali kasi yung ano.
Ay po!
Now,
Why are you acting
Uy!
because they're
Ano ba yun siya?
You're not a cop.
Smart kid. Keep quiet and stay out of my way.
Ho, hindi daw siya kap.
I'm not going back to prison.
Asan ba siya?
Hello?
Hulo! Uy, ano yun? Yung sanity ko ba pwedeng kumain na muna ako, be?
Don't tell anyone I was here for your sake.
Paano dumagdag yung sanity, be?
Ginagawa natin mali.
Oo, yung mali, yung anomaly. Hindi naman anomaly yun.
Anomaly yun. Then nagpapasok ka ng kriminal.
Hindi ako. Yung ayos ako water the plants daw. Eh, kasali ka.
Nangyari dito sa sala.
Hindi ko din alam.
Anomaly. Sisira yung kama.
Hoy, gumawa naman kayo ng task. Mga walang panesta naman lahat.
Party?
Yeah, you should come.
I don't think I can.
Come on. Don't be boring.
Mm.
Open up. I'll give you the address.
Bawal yan.
Asan pa yung dalawang halaman? Halaman ka ba? Next. Ayoko na, May! Oh, God! May may tao! May nahabol ako! Hoy, legit! Ano ba yun?
Lakas ng sigaw. Ang lakas ng sigaw.
Ano na?
Te, bakit may ano ko,
Reaction mo.
Wala ka halaman. May isa pang halaman, be. Ayoko na nga.
Yo, you awake?
Sana sa sa watch.
I'm making a protein shake. I forgot water at home. Can you bring me a glass of water real quick?
Ba't pa ka?
My body needs
Hello?
it right now.
Wala yung isang halaman, be. Isang halaman na lang hinahanap ko, te. Ito. Siya kasi nakatago dyan, te. Okay na. Nago is... No. Hindi siya nakakat...
Oh,
Hindi
buksan
naman
mo
nak-
yung pinto si Syria.
Thanks, bro.
Charit. Ito, itlog.
Here.
Charit.
Huge save. See you at the
Sa
gym.
cams po may night vision. Tas, ganun pala yan. Sinabi. Pwede pala to eh. Oh. Bakit may iba-iba pang angle? Hoy, alam nyo, ang baba na ng sanity ko, Wave. So,
Ilan? Akin 55.
Be, bakit ba may multo? Hindi nyo ba nakikita? May multo talaga, te.
Okay na pala tayo ng sote.
Feel ko ikaw lang talaga.
Hindi, te.
Sorry to bother you. I'm not feeling great.
Are you okay?
I just got really dizzy. Could I
Ayun.
rest in your bed for a few
In
minutes?
hit.
I work na po.
I'm sorry, my feet are killing me.
Sige na, papasukin niya na wala namang something wrong.
So much. My room is over there. I really appreciate this.
Lucky mo. Ha?
Oh, oh my gosh.
Nakatulog.
Hindi yan tama.
Ay, nakatulog.
Ano?
Lala.
Ay, sarado nyo na yung pinto.
Thank you again. I feel a lot better now.
Ala, alas 2 na. Gising pa rin tayo.
Yes, ko ako na yung magwawa.
Hoy, paano tataas yung sanity ko? Wala? Wala bang magtuturo? Ano, lagi gusto nila naman lagi na lang makakita ng multo dito, te. Ala, ayaw talaga nila sabihin sa akin, no. Ito ba, tubig? Gagawin ko sa tubig. Ayun. Pianis. May coffee daw.
I got lost walking home.
Clean
Are you
your room.
okay? I don't know
Soak
where I
the
am.
water.
Can you bring me a phone so
Soak
I can
the
call
water?
home?
Ano,
Please, don't leave me out here.
Paano naging anomaly?
Just keep walking then.
Lumaki siya doon sa camera, te.
Ay, oo nga. Ay, grabe ka, be. Ano yung soak the water, be?
Tapos na.
Ay, tapos na ba? Paano ko gagawa coffee?
Tapos na lahat. Tapos na lahat.
Hindi, gawa daw ako coffee para bumaba yung sanity ko. Gets mo ba ako?
Hindi.
Ah, ito. Saan mo siya dalahin? I mean, napipindot naman siya.
Jess?
I'm not Jess.
Oh, sorry.
Ay, baliw. Wag na papatukan pag baliw, ah.
Do you need help?
My phone died. Can I borrow yours?
No.
Why won't anyone help me?
Naghanap din siya.
Ay.
Ay, over sa iyak.
Ay, grabe yung lakad nyo.
Parang siya.
Wait lang.
Si Nikki.
Anong meron? Bakit kailangan
Hello?
pang... Ay,
Bumalik pa siya ate.
ayun siya, be. Oh, umiiyak siya.
Bumalik pa siya.
Ano may otik?
Iyak pangit.
Kawawa naman siya.
Ay,
May lalaki, te.
bolaga.
Uy, bumababa sanity ko. Pag mataas ba yung sanity, ibig sabihin maganda or dapat mababa? Ayan na, may
I'm
kumatok.
trying to find my daughter's house.
Oh, hindi dito
I
yon.
don't think this is the right one.
Oh dear. Could you open up? I can't hear you so well through the door.
Hello?
Mami, ano, papapasukin ba yan?
Papasukin.
Please, help me. Thank you. I'm looking for Karen McLeod's house.
Oh, you're lucky. That's just next door.
Lala.
Oh,
Oh.
well, that's not my best moment. Sorry for bothering you. Thank you for helping me.
Thank you. Bolaga.
O, asan yung lolo?
Namatay. Diyos kami ng bahay.
Anong oras na ba? 3:36, ang tagal, ah.
Katabi na sa
Kailangan maka $160 tayo, te.
Wash?
Eh, nagagawa na...
Ang ina mo.
Wash the bathroom daw. Uy, ano yun?
Gago.
Parang ayoko na tuloy mag-ano.
Ay, te. Yung mic ko, te.
Mami, parang ayoko mag-gala-gala. Isa lang yung task. Ay,
My black cat
Si
got out.
Android.
I saw her in your parents' bedroom through the window.
oh, check nyo nga kung may ano,
Yeah.
kung may
can
pusa
you
sa
pet her?
bedroom.
Her name is Luna.
Oo, te, meron.
Ago,
May pusa.
akunin mo.
Please don't ignore me. Thank you. Can you go get Luna for me?
Oh, sure.
Hindi ko alam kung
Bring back
Hello?
Tatay Digong. Oh, go, go, go. Ayan na siya. Ay, ang cute. Go, go, go mo. Go, go, go.
Sama ka.
Kasama nga ako.
Thank you for getting her back.
Ay, hindi ganyan magawak ng pusa ba eh. Grabe.
Yung pusikat, te. Yung pusikat na sasaktan.
Wag daw, bakit? Anyari? Huy, ano ba yun? Ano naman? Uy, nangangain daw yun ng pusa. Ano?
Gagawin niyang adobo, te. Adobohin niya.
Paano nyo alam?
Bakit parang kilala ko to?
Yung
We
gulo
have
to.
math homework due tomorrow. I'm stuck on question 7. Can you
Oh.
open the have
Mukha naman siyang matino. Boes ba lang?
Thanks.
Ayun.
I got 34.
I got 67.
Great.
Chet.
One of us is very wrong. Okay. I'll redo it and text you the answer.
Thank you so much. Tagal naman ito. Nag-ano daw tayo. Wow! Ano ba yun? Wait lang. Ang tunog naman na to. Ano ba yun? Uy, be! Be, may tao sa likod, be! May tao sa likod!
Smoke coming from
May
your oven.
tao sa
Open the
likod!
door. I need to check it myself. Hello?
No! May tao din sa likod do. Fireman
This
din
place
siya.
burns down, that's on you.
Saan natin makita? Uy, may tao sa likod, promise. Meron pa ba? Wala na. Okay. Tagal naman ito. Okay. Oh, Ellis Arbag in the house! Hi, bestie! Oh, parang blue yung buhok niya dito kanina,
Your
te.
camera is pointing at my house.
No, it's pointing at our car.
Open the door
No.
about this.
Papasukin mo nga, rambulan tayo. Apat tayo mag-isa niya.
Ikaw lang.
Wagwagan,
Tara,
wagwagan.
tara. Papasukin niyo yan. Papasukin niyo.
Papasukin mo.
I'm sorry, I can't change them myself.
Then tell your parents to fix it tomorrow.
I will.
What?
Sorry again.
Good. That's all I needed. I expect it to be fixed tomorrow.
Do you wash the dishes daw, te?
Di ka maganda. Oh, sure.
Ako na, te. Maraming quest. Huwag na kayong magkano.
Eh, asan ba yung dishes?
Maraming quest ko na yan.
Oh my God.
Ayoko na nitong larong to. Nakakawati.
Uy, wala na.
You started emergency water work on your street. night
ba,
tonight.
ate? Ba't
Okay.
sumisigaw ka bigla?
Water is probably
Ang
running
daming
down.
kalat.
Seriously?
Yeah, go check. I have a notice with the details. If you can open the door.
Tapos na.
Everybody in controls. Have a good night.
Okay na. Okay na. Okay. Hoy, 5:36 na. Wala tayong kwarta. Sa'yo ako nagugulo.
I'm home. You're okay, thank God. You made it through the night, but I see you didn't earn enough allowance money. I know you tried your best. I'm not mad, but you know what this means. No reward this time. We'll try again tomorrow night.
Paano kami makakuha? Ang bagal naman ng ano kasi pagbigay.
Yun na yun. Boring, di ako natakot. Yun lang.
Sure, maniniwala ako.
Pwedeng labi na tayo, guys. 20 minutes lang yun. Like,
So, ayun na yan.
yun na yun.